Hi, I'm United States Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy. I'm honored to have the chance to speak with all of you today during your national conference, and I want to sincerely thank the CORE Network for dedicating this time to discussing the importance of mental health. From the start of my tenure and throughout my recent cross-country college tour, I've heard directly from young people about the many factors impacting their mental health, including the pressures of hustle culture, prior trauma, loneliness, social media, and their worry about events that threaten our present and future, including climate change, gun violence, and polarization. Mental health has now become the defining public health issue of our time, affecting not only how we feel, but also how we show up for our family, our community, at work, and at school. This is particularly true for young people who have been hit hard by rising rates of depression, anxiety, and suicide. In response, I've launched Surgeon General advisories on youth mental health, as well as on our epidemic of loneliness and isolation, and most recently, on social media and its impact on youth mental health. The goal of these initiatives is to call our nation to attention and action to address the urgent issue of mental health. This work will take more than policymakers. It will take all of us. It requires ensuring that every person in America knows that there is no shame in struggling with your mental health and that it is okay to ask for help. It requires ensuring everyone who needs care can get it and get it quickly. And it requires addressing the root causes of our mental health crisis, including the trauma and loneliness that too many people face today. I'm more hopeful than ever that we can do what it takes to get the job done. Because in the last 2 years, we've seen unprecedented investment and public dialogue about mental health. That is in no small part because of people like you. All of you working with the CORE Network have a chance to support young people and their mental health, and I'm so grateful that you are making this a priority. We know that fostering healthy relationships at work and outside work is a powerful way to boost mental health and reduce loneliness. Creating settings and communities where people can be open about their experiences and support one another can go a long way. Community doesn't just happen. We have to be intentional about creating it, especially at the experience of the pandemic, which set many people back in terms of their social comfort and social skills. In addition to connection, we know that volunteering and service have positive effects on our mental health and satisfaction. So does having a strong sense of meaning and purpose. These are all areas where the CORE Network can create an environment in which its members can thrive. Together, you are inspiring a new generation of changemakers, and you are helping strengthen their mental health and well-being in the process. I know that it can feel like we are living in dark times, especially when you look at the many challenges around us. But you are reminding our nation that change happens when courageous, dedicated people in communities across America lead the way. Your dedication, your compassion, and your care, that is the light within you, the light that continues to burn brightly and that is showing us a path forward toward a better day. As Surgeon General and as a father of 2 young kids, I speak for a lot of people when I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy your time together and that you leave feeling inspired and hopeful about the days to come.